All right, well, good morning, Lou.
Hi, Lynn. How are you?
I'm great. So I'm here with Luciana Randall, and she's with the Autism Connection of Pennsylvania. Thank you for taking a bit of time with me this morning. I
Oh,
appreciate it.
sure.
Do you have any coffee?
I do. Actually, it's in my microwave, so I'll get it.
Okay.
I'll just do this.
All right. So would you just tell us, we're so excited that you're going to be presenting at our first virtual assembly. And so I'd like for you to tell us a little bit about yourself and the Autism Connection of Pennsylvania.
Sure. I'm excited too. So we're a grassroots nonprofit in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, but we do cover the state. I do a lot of teaching through that job. We take 130 calls a month for help. And we do a lot of training with people like police officers or teachers or therapists through families who just found out they have autism in their family or in themselves. And really, we cover all ages, all stages.
Wow.
Yeah. And we have 64 support groups that are run by, there's sort of like self-help groups that are run by family members or people with autism.
That's great to know that there's resources like that.
Yeah. Grassroots are where it's at.
That's right. So how did you become affiliated or introduced to ICD?
So we had actually produced a conference in Pittsburgh last year, and it was about OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. And I ran downstairs and ran into another conference, which was ICD, and I ran into Alice Price, and I said, hey, I'm sure we have things in common. So we just traded business cards, and then she got in touch with me to do this talk. So I'm excited about that.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Yes.
So what is your presentation about? Give us a title and what you're going to be talking about.
So we're going to talk about changing perceptions of autism, and that's just sort of reflecting over the years. We didn't have much medical evidence about autism until about 2002, and getting that out to the public has just been really difficult. It's just sort of not the thing you're going to see in People magazine or on TV about the science part of it. So I always teach with brain images, and they're from National Institutes of Health US studies. And that just shows you right away how the brain fires differently with autism, how it's wired differently neurologically. And I always just tell people the science part of it because you probably will walk away knowing more than your doctors do, because the science is just really not out there. Autism isn't really, it's talked about a lot socially, but not in terms of medical school and that kind of thing yet, or teacher colleges. So I talk a lot about that, and you'll walk away knowing how the brain is different, and it'll help you help your clients and how to approach them, how to help motivate them, just by knowing how that brain works.
Well, I'm excited to listen to your presentation and be an engaged participant. So we'll look forward to seeing you on September 22nd.
Me too. I can't wait.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thanks for the talk.
All right.
See ya.